everybody, what is going on? MysticMaxx, or you can call me Mystic. So today, today and yesterday I was hunting shiny Trapinch, and I finally got it. This took about 600 encounters, so there it is. It's very beautiful. Yes, I was in a call with Blue Toad Gaming 6. Why is it that I'm always in a call with Blue Toad Gaming when I'm getting shinies? Alright, so what happened is we were looking through random apps, and we found a Fortnite V-Bucks scam. We were like, So my shiny is going to be female. So, okay, so I have to kill that one. Yes, that's the non-shiny. Alright, so it's pretty cool. It's about 600 SOS calls. No, it's pretty good. Crunch, of course it has crunch. You know, it always has crunch. Okay, of course I'm buffeted by the sandstorm, of course, you know. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch into... Oh god, I just realized. Hang on. What I'm going to actually do first is I'm going to false swipe shiny Trapinch. I was really happy when I got this. So, if you probably saw, I was going to shiny hunt for, Latias. But since I already have a psychic type, I was just like, nope, no. Imagine if that was another shiny. Alright, so I have to go. This is how I failed my shiny Chansey. I had a shiny call in a non-shiny, and then I accidentally killed it. So, go into this pearly wall. Is this the shiny using dig? No, it's the normal one using dig. Of course it is. And this one uses earth. Oh, it's gonna kill its teammate. Ha! It just killed its teammate. Boy, we got a savage over here. Okay, don't call in. Don't call in, please. Wow. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hypnotize or hypnosis the shiny. So that one's asleep, so it can't call. I just realized, do not use Earthquake. My heart stopped for a second because I just realized I could use Earthquake and kill it. Okay, now I go for Bubble Beam. I gave it Choice Scarf. Why did I give it Choice Scarf? Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Such an idiot. Oh, I have a Volcanion plush, by the way. Oh god, this is just gonna... Okay, I thought I was gonna fail it. It's gonna wake up. Okay, it didn't, thank god. Okay. Go, and I use Iron Head. This one, which is not the shiny. Hope it kills. I think it's gonna kill. I mean, I'm level 100, you know. Of course it will kill. Okay. Thank god this one was a shiny. Because you can get shiny, Trapinch. I can get shiny Trapinch, Gabite, or Golett. And I wanted Trapinch the most. Alright. What should I use? Heavy Ball? Could look cool. I don't think Trapinch is heavy though. But, alright, we could just try it, I guess. Alright, that worked! Are you heavy? Trapinch, are you heavy? Are you one heavy boy? Alright. So, there we go. Got my shiny Trapinch. Was very happy about that. Okay. What will I name it? I will name it Imperial. Okay, I think I spelled it wrong. I'm almost certain I spelled it wrong. So, I could just go back to the name reader. 99% I spelled that. I'm just gonna Google it after this video. Alright. You're named Imperial. That's 99% spelled wrong. Alright, so we finally got it. Okay, check it out. It's Hyper Cutter. It is a quiet nature. Crunch, Earth Power, Faint, and Earthquake. Caught in a heavy ball, and it is a female. Okay. So I'm just gonna do one encounter. I think I put it in the front of my party, right? Yes, I did. To sleep, but I'm just gonna, do one encounter. I was scared of that. I was scared of me failing it. Wow. Okay, thank you. I was scared of me failing it. Yeah, I got a Volcanion plush yesterday, so that was cool. Yo, focus. Okay, sorry, it's not focusing. There we go. Oh, it's asleep, but it's so cute. It's like a blue and it's cute. All right. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, crush the like button, subscribe if you're not already, so I'll post notifications, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.